Hurts.
Grab your glass. Grab your glass. Let's get them up there. Grab your glass and keep off the bush grass.
Keep off the bush. Keep off the bush. That's right.
So stripes. Rule number 1, keep them straight. None of this wavy bullshit. So I'm done. Who else wants to go? No. I guess for me, that's probably one of the most common questions I get is, how do you do stripes? You know, I mean, people drive by your yard, they see them. Obviously it pops, it catches someone's eye. But, you know, I get it all the time. Like, how do you do it? You know, what's the trick? What's the magic? You know, and I think everyone's heard it, you know, do you mow different heights? Well, no, that's not how it's done. I know a lot of people think that. A lot of people say, you know, do you need special equipment? I'll say yes and no to that one. You know, and Olee, I know you've talked about it a lot, you know, and to take the best pictures of stripes, Olee, where's that sun got to be?
To your back, burning your neck.
Like how my house faces, if I mow east to west, you can see the stripes amazing, you know, but if you mow north to south, usually you can't even see them unless you go in my driveway. But if you're driving past my house, you can't even see my stripes. So me personally, that's something I think about is which way is the traffic going to be going past your house? And they're going to look at it. You know, your neighbors, you know, if you want to show up your neighbors as they look out their windows, are they going to be able to see your stripes and stuff like that? But yeah.
So Nate, I know you were talking about like equipment and all that kind of stuff. Tony Keeber in the chat's kind of asking everybody what their preferences of stripe kit. What do you guys, what kind of stripe kits do you guys use?
What's a stripe kit?
What is a stripe kit? Yeah.
Do you have to have a stripe kit?
Depending on the mower. If it's a commercial mower, most of the time, no.
Yep. And most of your riding motors do a pretty good job of laying stripes without a stripe kit or anything.
You know, Simplicity was the first one to actually have a so-called stripe kit.
But my Simplicity, like, yeah, it has a built-in, like a cold rolled steel shaft, like solid plastic rollers that it rolls on, but it has 3 blades, and then 2 blades are on the, you know, left and right side, and the middle blade actually spins counterclockwise, which creates a good suction. And that suction also is what helps the stripes.
Lift the blades up, lift the grass blades up.
Yep. If you bag
mine's more
to get more suction, does it get I guess a real mower would be different, but I'm talking about like a bag on a rotary mower or a rider. I'm getting more suction. Does that help stripes, you think?
These real mowers have grass catchers too, so I don't think it's necessarily that, but I think suction could hurt striping because you're trying to suck and lift up rather than roll down the blades.
When
you suck it, then you roll it down.
Like a lot of your riding mowers, I mean, some of those tires are, you know, 30 inches wide or whatever. And, you know, I think a lot of it, that's a misconception is, you know, the tires are actually what's laying the grass down and giving it that back and forth look, but the middle of it is not even striped, you know, but it looks amazing. It looks like $1 million. And some of those like Skag, I personally think Skags, they stripe amazing, but you know, you go and look at them and it's just, I mean, the tires, the weight of those riding mowers lays it down, but you look at the middle of it, it's straight up and down, you know? So you got the dark tire marks and you got the light tire marks, but in the middle, it's all light. So you don't get that solid stripe. You see the wheel marks essentially.
So actually mine it has a roller, and then where the wheels are, the roller stops, like it cuts off and it's just a bar. And then it's another roller, and then it cuts off and it stops because that's where the wheels are.
Exactly.
Well, that's the thing too. That's one point. I like to use every inch of my deck, every inch. I mean, and if not, you're just wasting it. So, you know, and that's what makes it pop. But, you know, we can get into that. We can get into deck size later, but
that's a good point though, because I've been looking at some stripes this week, and people who don't mow deck to deck, they get a funky tire line.
All I envision is hold on a second. All I envision is 2 little boys right now standing over a toilet, just peeing in the toilet at the same time.